Seems secure. Let's give this a go. Whoa! What are these guys doing? That looks like fun. Mo wants to try. Yeah. What is acrobatics?
Acrobatics can be in the air, they can be on the ground, they can be on top of other people. So it's anything where you balance on somebody else, or roly-polies, flips, cartwheels, all of those kind of things that
Oh,
come
cool.
in. Or anything in the air, if you're like hanging on by one hand or a little finger or some toes.
Oh, so it's lots of amazing ways to move your body.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
A few of the things you do is like the silks, the lyra.
What is the silks?
The silks are those over there. They're like two big strands of silk, and you wrap them around and you do cool tricks and drops.
Oh. And what was the other one you said? The lyra?
Yeah,
Is
the
that right?
lyra is like a big hoop that's hanging.
Yeah.
It's very fun. It's my favorite.
Good.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Lovely.
Like everything is up really high. What happens if you fall?
We always train over safety mats.
Oh, so you have a soft landing.
Yes, so you always have a soft landing. Very, very
Okay.
important. Because when you're learning, you're bound to fall a couple of times.
Whoa.
Perfect. Bend the knee, bend the knee, bend the knee. Yes! Got it! Yes. Yes.
So how do you go upside down without falling?
Well, first I ask a teacher what to do when I'm upside down. Then I go up, hang my knees on the bottom bar of the lyra. And then when I get a bit more confident, I take off one hand. Then I take off the other one.
Okay, so you do it one step at a time.
Yeah.
You follow the teacher's instructions.
Yes.
And you just get better and better as you go along.
Yes.
Oh, well, Mo will try the silks. So what does Mo do first?
The first thing that we learn on the silks is how to French climb.
Oh,
I'll show you, okay?
ooh la la.
So you wrap your leg around like this, and then you stand on that like the floor, and then you just pull yourself up with your arms.
Oh,
Easy as this.
she's gone.
You gonna try?
Okay, seems secure. Let's give this a go.
Well done. Yes.
Oh, this is tough.
It's not easy, but you're doing great.
Who's doing it?
Yeah, you are.
And slide down. Yeah. Oh, past Mo, past Mo. Oh, and pivot. Okay, shoot. Okay, whoa. Oh, they're playing some kind of game. Who wants to play? What is netball?
Netball's a team sport, so there's 7 players on each team, and the goal is to get the ball into the goal, as many goals as you can, and the team with the most goals win.
What were those things everyone was wearing with letters on them?
Oh, so those are the bibs.
Are they having trouble eating? Messy eaters.
Different kind of bibs.
Okay.
So the bibs are so that every player knows what position they are on court.
So, are there different positions in netball?
Yeah.
What are some of the positions you can play?
Well, there's wing attack, wing D, and like goal keep.
What is the C for?
The C stands for centre.
Centre.
I stand in the centre of the court and have to pass it to all my other members of my team.
Right. What position are you playing today?
Goal shoot.
So, what's the job of the goal shoot?
You just shoot the ball in the hoop.
All right. Do you get the ball in the net every single time?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What happens if you miss?
It doesn't matter.
You just try again?
Yeah.
Oh,
You shoot. Nice.
I've played basketball before. Is netball kind of like basketball?
Well, in basketball, you can move around with the ball, but in netball, you have to stay still and you have to pass it around. You can't move.
Oh, so if you get the ball, you can't just run with it.
No, you can't.
So you're just passing from teammate to teammate?
Yeah.
Oh. How do you get good at passing?
Definitely takes a lot of practice.
Okay.
There's different types of passing.
Oh,
So there's chest pass, bounce pass, overhead, shoulder pass.
Whoa.
So the better you can get, the more options you have on court. Make sure you follow through. Okay, Mo.
Okay,
Are you ready?
Mo's
See
ready.
if you can catch the slide.
Oh, throw.
Okay, get ready. I'm gonna bounce pass now.
Okay, catch.
Oh, nice, Mo.
Okay, bounce pass.
Oh, well done.
Mo's quite keen on shooting the goals. Would that mean Mo plays goal shoot?
Yes.
Is it a fun position to play?
Yeah,
Do you think Mo could have a turn?
of course.
Yes.
And play.
Oh, game on. Okay, Mo's open.
Good girls. Hands up. Good D.
Oh, here it comes.
Nice.
Whoa, it's moving fast.
Yes, Miracle.
oh.
Good hands.
Oh, pass to Mo, pass to Mo. Oh, and pivot. Okay, shoot. Yes, it went in. Look down the lane, and... Oh, come on. Whoa, what are these guys doing? Whoa. Oh, looks like fun. Time to get involved. So what is this cool place we're at today?
It's a bowling alley.
A bowling alley. Oh. What is bowling?
You just get a bowling ball and you just knock over the pins with it.
Oh. You knock over the pins.
Yeah.
So why do bowling balls have 3 holes in them?
So you can pick it up with your fingers and bowl it.
Oh, okay. So you can't just pick it up with 2 hands and chuck it.
You have to like roll it on the floor.
Oh. Otherwise it might make a hole in the floor.
Yes.
How do you know who wins bowling?
There's a screen and it tells you how much you knocked over.
Oh, so it knows how many pins you knock down.
Yes.
And the person who knocks down the most pins wins.
Yes.
Oh. So what's it called if you knock down all the pins in one go?
Strike.
Right. And what's it called if you knock down all the pins in 2 goes?
Spear.
Right. So you want to try and get strikes and spears?
Yes.
Yeah. So once you've bowled your bowling ball, how do you get it back?
There's a special machine that brings your ball back.
Oh. And when you knock down the pins, do you have to go and stand them all up again?
No. The machine does it.
There's a machine for that too.
Yes.
Oh, they've got a machine for everything.
Come on, Aman.
Come on, Aman.
Get the ball
Oh,
down.
come on.
Ooh, come on.
It's looking good. Good job, Aman.
Really good.
Whoa, those are some pretty jazzy shoes you've got on. Where'd you get those?
From the counter at the back.
Oh, so do you get special shoes when you go bowling?
Yes.
Oh. So do you think they'd have Mo's size?
No.
Oh, maybe Mo will just do it barefoot.
Yeah.
Okay, Mo, focus. Look down the lane, and... Oh, come on! Come on! Ah, so close! Still, not bad for a first try. Mo will keep practicing. But that was fun going bowling. Who wants high fives? Yeah, give it up. Boom! Okay, just walking on a wire. Whoa! This place looks interesting. Whoa! Look at her go! Oh, Mo needs to find out more. What is a rope course?
Rope course is something that's designed to be fun yet challenging and obviously speaks for itself. It's a high ropes course.
Oh, right. So it's high off the ground.
Yep.
So what happens if you fall off?
If you fall off, that's where we've got safety equipment. We've got a harness, some safety
Right.
clips, and a nice little helmet to top it off.
So you don't fall off?
You don't fall off at
Oh,
all.
okay. So how does the harness work?
Harness, you've got 2 leg loops, obviously, then pull it up to your waist, make it nice and comfy, not too tight,
Yeah.
and that'll hold you up on the course with our safety clips.
Oh, Mo was worried. Mo thought you just had to hang on. And how do the clips work?
So we've got 2 clips, obviously one open, one locked, and out on the course we have keys exactly like this.
Yeah.
Fit into the open clip, put it in, and obviously this one's now locked, this one's open. Make sure that you're always hooked on.
So only one at a time can be open?
Exactly.
Oh, that's really clever. Oh, good balance. So what's your favourite part of the rope course?
My favorite part of the rope course is the zip line.
Zip line? What's the zip line?
You put something on the wire, then you hold it really tight, then you just zip.
Oh. Is it scary going on the rope course?
No.
No. Do you feel safe with all the harnesses?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go through it nice and wide, pull your clips nice and wide.
Whoa. Oh, that looks tricky. You're very confident. Does doing the rope course make you confident?
Yes.
Mo's a little bit nervous, but do you think if Mo starts, Mo will just get better and better?
Yeah.
Okay. Where should Mo start?
When I first started, you just start with the easy bits, and when you get better, you go on the hard bits.
Oh, well, Mo will start on the easiest one. Okay. Secure. Looks good. Okay. Just walking on a wire. Oh, it's going well. Oh, made it. Oh, on with the rest of the course. Moe Friends.